Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the thyroid and the parathyroid gland of the endocrine system. As shown in this picture, this is the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland of the body. Thyroid gland is composed of the two lobes which are present on the either side of the trachea, and both the lobes are interconnected by a flap of the tissue called as isthmus, as shown in this picture. And now this picture is the back side of the thyroid gland, and the four dots on this picture represent the four parathyroid glands. So parathyroid glands are four in number, present on the back side of the thyroid gland, and one pair of parathyroid gland is present on a lobe of a thyroid gland. So in thyroid gland, follicular cells secretes two hormones named as T4 and T3. T4 is tetraiodothyronine, this is called as thyroxine, and T3 is triiodothyronine. And now the secretion of these hormone by thyroid gland, T4 is more secreted than T3, but the effectiveness of T3 hormone is greater than T4. That's why T4 is being converted into T3 at target tissue. And thyroid gland is the only gland which store its hormone thyroxine in its follicles. And to secrete these hormone, iodine is essential. Iodine is essential to regulate the normal rate of synthesis of the thyroxine hormone. And now the other functions of the thyroxine are: thyroxine hormone regulates the BMR. BMR means basal metabolic rate, which regulates the metabolism. And thyroxine also promotes the blood formation. Blood formation means erythropoiesis process. And now, due to deficiency of iodine in the blood, causes hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which low secretion of the thyroxine hormone by the thyroid gland. Due to low secretion, it causes abnormality or diseases in the body. The first one is goitre. Goitre, due to deficiency of iodine, the thyroid gland enlarges in size. As you can see this in this picture, the size of the thyroid gland is increased. And the second case is during pregnancy. If during pregnancy the mother has a condition hypothyroidism, then the development and the maturation of the baby is defective. Due to defective development and the maturation of baby, this leads to a stunted growth of the baby, lower the IQ, and the abnormality in the skin colors is seen. This condition is called as cretinism. And the third condition in adult females. In adult females, due to hypothyroidism, there is irregularity in menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle means periods. So these are the cases due to hypothyroidism. and now we are going to discuss about the hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is a condition where the more of the secretion of the thyroxine hormone by the thyroid gland. Hyperthyroidism. Thyroidism. In this condition, a disease is called exophthalmic goitre or Graves' disease is also called. In this disease causes enlargement of gland as seen in this picture, and protrusion of eyes, of eyeballs. It means आंखें बाहर निकल आते हैं थोड़ी सी. And when the thyroxine hormone is more in the body, it causes increased BMR. BMR is increased, means the basal metabolic rate is increased due to thyroxine hormone is more in the body. As you seen in this picture, this is exophthalmic goitre or Graves' disease. In this picture, enlargement of the gland and the protrusion of the eyeball is seen there. And now thyroid gland also secrete another hormone called as calcitonin. It lacks iodine. Iodine is absent in this hormone. So calcitonin regulates the blood calcium level. It lowers the blood calcium level. It lowers the blood calcium level by two methods. First is a deposition of calcium on bones that makes them solid and strong. And the second is a removal of calcium through urine. By these two methods, calcitonin lower the blood calcium level, and now the lower the blood calcium level stimulates the parathyroid gland to secrete parathyroid hormone, PTH. PTH hormone is secreted due to blood calcium level is lowered. This hormone makes this blood calcium level higher, so it increases the blood calcium level by three methods. First is demineralization, or dissolution of bones. This causes the minerals like calcium to the blood, and other is reabsorption of calcium through the renal tubules of the nephron. And the third one is absorption of calcium from food. By these three methods, parathyroid hormone increases the blood calcium level. So calcitonin lowers the blood calcium level, parathyroid hormone increases the blood calcium level. So these are antagonists to each other. And now the parathyroid hormone has also two probabilities due to abnormal secretion. If PTH has a lower secretion, hypocondition, hypocondition causes a disease called as tetany. Tetany means due to lower blood calcium level in the blood and the muscles contracts for long time. This condition is called as the tetany. And hypersecretion of the PTH causes the osteoporosis. Osteo means bone and porosis means the pores. Due to more PTH, it causes the more demineralization or dissolution of bones, which causes the pores in the bones and the osteoporosis. And the other one is stones in the kidney. Due to more reabsorption of the calcium in the renal tubules, it causes the formation of the stones in the kidney. So this is all about the thyroid and the parathyroid glands. Thanks for watching.